How to know if your Windows has been hacked. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, click on your start menu and then search for command prompt and then run command prompt as an administrator. Select yes. Now, after that, what you will have to type is netstat space minus ano and then run this. And all the systems or the protocol that has been run in your device will show over here. All the connections are shown here. So what you will have to look for is the foreign address. So if you find or if you suspect on any of these foreign address, simply copy it and then open your preferred browser and then go to IP locator and put this address there and you will be able to find out. Other method is simply go to your start button and then search for task manager, open it. Now in this task, simply go for the details from here and you will find all of its IP address and also its location. From this detail section here, you can see you can find the PID and its status as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.